We have so many of our people who are unemployed. One, the national directive and the international directive by the World Health Organization is such that social distancing and using face masks is the only and only instrument, I say again and again, that will ensure that 99% of the times you are protected from COVID-19. So to ensure that our people are protected enough and to ensure that some form of employment is given to our people who are at home, who have the skills and yet doing nothing, it may seem like it is very, very small. But I think it is a little better than waiting for daily wages under MGNREGA. Sit at home, and stay safe also, and you manufacture masks from the confines of your home. The population of our people, I think, is close to about 2 lakhs. In the last 10-15 days, I think the two teams that are manufacturing, they have manufactured about 4,000 to 5,000. So in the event of this, what the two teams are doing is they are reaching out to different localities and asking those localities to, they are giving them the design and asking them to manufacture from the confines of their own homes in their respective localities. So at the end of the day, the locality knows how many people are there in their locality. They manufacture that number of masks and at least their locality is fulfilled first. Second, they manufacture and start giving it to the villages. This is why the normal face surgical masks, which is for a one-time use only, specifically just a one-time use, our people are using it again and again, means you're reusing and you're making yourself vulnerable. It has N95 masks itself also. There is a protocol for that. You are not to use it, reuse it again and again. You have to have 5. This is, I think, a directive from AIMS, where they have said you have to have a minimum of 5, where you can use it, and then the second day you change, third day change, fourth day change, fifth day come back to the first one that you have left out to dry. So likewise, if you use it 2 or 3 times consecutively, you cannot use it again. But these masks that are being manufactured here in Ukhrul, the material is such that this can be washed and it can be reused. So if the people can have something which costs, the minimum, N95, I think it costs about 250 in the market in retail. If this costs 20 rupees and it's available across the district at any point of time only for 20 rupees and reusable for 6 months at least, I hope, then I think the people are in for a good offer and we are protected and employing our own people. This is the reason why we insisted on manufacturing our own, not to try and be competition to anybody, but to try and ensure that quality product is produced in Ukhrul and the people stay protected.
So that this materials is produced recurringly and will the public is in a position to use it any day and any time. Aduna, even before this, Sarna Mayam Khangi Easter Sunday da 60,000 eggs Mayam Gidamag offered to Viva. Sigumase is very rare. More than 30,000 face masks, sanitizers, countless. Medical department, ambulance, any katokpa, personal protective equipments, piba, yam, so many. Koi machine thibangam daba mateng yam pangi. Sigumba thamoi chawba generous oiba. I say it's very encouraging. Koi district administration da thabak chubasu yam nuai. There is somebody, a big brother, to back up your weaknesses. And and it's always an encouragement to go forward. Sinatana, Mamang no say MLA Sab Anina Ching, say Mayam Gidamadum Tunghanba card, Paiba Paidaba, Pradhan Mantri Gidin Mayam Panghanki, Ngasisu more than 1,300 something non-local residents Gidamak, Frida at the rate of 5 kgs, Mayam Yentopiki, Singwa Yamna Yeoman Service Torakase Akoyam Taganingai Lay. Akoina DC na district administration gi head way Haiwani, there are unseen forces who have been backing up. Akoigi colleague SP, who is always concerned. We are always sitting every day and discussing how to go about, how to tackle these things together. and sigi honorable sida CSO sing na su huji phao yamna cooperation yam pajaba koina haidu su moi tofum thokpa do dum tawdona lakpa. And sometimes we are so much tense or in a hurry that we don't remember to inform our media friends also. But Ukhrul District Journalists Welfare Association tofum thokpa do moi na su public da media disseminate to handuna public the information matam chana from time to time pihan biba asisu akoi media friends gi thodang su chauna lai. I want to thank you all. Ngasi muruina MLA sab gi generosity initiative digi masi face mask. We are among the first districts to launch this in Manipur. This local made face mask, which will be, I think, quite cheap also, but which will be very durable to use, and which is something which is usable. And akoi mayam hakchang protect onaba masi leina ngak thokba ngamnaba aina magi lebak kun nungsiba wakhan yauna to stay healthy always. Masi mana puthoropani koi mayam phajana sinasi hujik jik wenidi mayam na khangi social distancing, personal hygiene are the best ways to stay away from this disease. Aduna masi masina not only hujik COVID gi matamda nataba, it's a way of life. Koi mapan thokpa kanda koi gi town dusty oiba matamda or Imphal the dusty roads da adum chatpa kanda. Like the Japanese, they always use that wet tissues whenever they visit India or any other dusty place. Personal hygiene do them always ngagnaba. And now wearing face mask is made mandatory in public. See half the basi the punishable way. Adumba requirement daka lebido MLA samna khangbani ma initiative isi puthopi base miyam thaganingai lai appreciate toningai lai miyam na magi maksu tatna like Rumbiba, Haksang Dum Pana, Lainaba, Yamgi leading COVID warrior ni, district da, Magi the Maksudum, let us appreciate, let us thank the government also, government gi instruction matungina, Honorable MLA Singh, Mai Kendra, the Chalaga, Masigi COVID fight say, Prajagi, benefit gi the Mak, Prajabu Kantuk, Ningai, no Chalu. Administration mating piu noi to phom thok pa in your respective ACs noi pakhapi aba thabang mayam preventive measures se pakhalu haina district administration to backup to boina tharak pasida MLA sabdi not even one day he has left the district headquarters madam niti gi monitor tawri we award pe lege khole mana togadaba kri lei from his side haibedum daily dum backup piri sigidam ta yam thagatpa media friends among the conductory. Aduna people of Ukhrul, I appreciate my consciousness yamna lay. Masi Lena Singak toka dabuni habigi. Village na moigi self quarantine to kiba. Asigmasi yamna appreciate toninga lay. Ado yam exemplary way. Akoigi border villages to Som Sibi. Asigmase Kunja Masena. Chau choba kaklaga border seal daudana, border road seal daudana. Sum phajana hoji phaw dum ngak thokdana leiri akhoi yam thagachai. Asigma consciousness, personal hygiene yauraga akhoi punna changsiminaradi will be able to fight this COVID-19 disease successfully and come out victoriously. So let us take this disease as a moral challenge. Let us take to prayers. Let us empower ourselves spiritually also and improve our hygienic habits so that together we can fight and come out victorious from this pandemic disease. So with these few words, I want to thank you, and I think I'll invite my colleague SP Saab also to say a few words, because he has been also a leading warrior backing up the district administration. He has been enforcing the lockdown very strictly, tirelessly. So I want to appreciate him also and give him a few minutes chance to speak something on this occasion.
Honorable MLA Ukhrul constituency, Deputy Commissioner of Ukhrul, leader of Hunpun and Humbum village, and a person connected with Made in Ukhrul marks, friends from the media, my colleague officers, additional SP and STO, and all who are present here. Ngasi Made in Ukhrul marks asi launch tawbasida ai bisu sharuk yaubio haina haibasi yam nungaye ai gi wakhanda aikoi Ukhrul gi MLA na initiative lauraga masi thodok si pangthok pani ado asida yauriba designer oisunu tailor oisunu atokpa mayam efforts piraga puthok pasi yam nungaye na haininge. Like our DC said, we have taken a very novel step, being among the first district in Manipur to take this type of step towards our fight in COVID-19. Hojik phawba igi wakhandadi Ukhrul district si ekoi discipline su phajana leiriye, patient su leiriye, atokpa ga yangadi lockdown March 25 tagi hauraga ngasi lakpasi wadaba thabakti natte adu mi miyamna khangbasi khallaga yam nungai adu ekhoi asi thabak tawbasi da public ki cooperation su phajana leibasi khangraga yam nungai media da gi su cooperation phajana piba khangra nungai nomit khuding police na thabak tawba matamda hojikti cha pithak tabasu leitare kana group ra ma thokra dum cha pithak pa leiri public appreciation lowbudusu yam nungaye haina haininge adu imathakta ngasai khoi disi na haiba kumna aisu theng tawninge Ukhrul si yam fortunate oye hojik leiriba people representative ekhoi local MLA sina district administration police pusodum mate matam da dum mateng pange base atokpa mafam dadi area dadi MLA gi concern si chengak ta ngai raba male adu ekhoi dadi on all front ko hojik marks the suchat leko asigumba kari haisira dispersion of activities the lakpasi khangraga yam nungai na haininge adura hojikti marks sidi we must know that it's a part of our dress now for many months to come or for a year it will be a part of our dress and without wearing masks one cannot come into public spaces. It is illegal and a fine will be imposed or a person can be jailed also. It is an offense. So we have to consider this very seriously, and on that front we are putting all efforts and then bringing out this Made in Ukhrul marks. This is a commendable and laudable activity that I like to congratulate. And in this fight on COVID-19, from my side also, I appeal to one and all of you, let us jointly put our hand together to make Ukhrul one of the safest districts in the country. Thank you.
Thank you, Deputy Commissioner Ukhrul and SP sir, for enlightening us how we are fighting COVID in Ukhrul district. Now I request our Honorable MLA sir to say a few words on the COVID-19 sir. Yeah.
Good afternoon, my good friends, DC and SP, plus other district administration officials, especially village authority from Hunpun and Humbum, friends from the media, and all other friends gathered today. This is something new for me as well as for everybody. Mayam gidamakta anoba habashi. Life changes with time. Anybody who says that they were prepared for something like this is either lying or the person is God. In an unexpected situation, it is the community and it is the people that have to come together and help the district administration to make things smooth and successful. Today, I am extremely grateful to, the public of Ukhrul. We have faced hardships, I know. From across the categories, everybody has faced hardships, be it illness, regular illness, be it scarcity of essential supplies from time to time. Everybody has faced it. But like I say, on behalf of the district administration, I am extremely very grateful, because the pain one suffers when one does not have enough to eat and one does not have enough to take care of one's family, there is nothing more distressing than something like that.
Taking everything into consideration, the efforts of the community in Ukhrul in augmenting and mitigating the problem of this COVID-19 and helping the district administration in curbing. Nobody knew in the beginning. Nobody means nobody, including DC, SP, including Chief Minister, nobody knew. Everybody was so scared that it would be like the Spanish pandemic, where hundreds and millions would perish. But at the end of the day, there is a new normal in our lives now. Experts across the globe, they have already said very clearly, this is technical, and scientifically speaking, they have very clearly said that it is a matter of years, if not months, then 18 months, a long time it will take for a vaccine to be developed for this. Because vaccines cannot just be developed like developing some, essential item for this or for that. This is something that is to be used for protecting humans. Those trials that are mandatory, it will have to go through the process of trials. So at least 18 months. This is the opinion of the World Health Organization, if I'm not mistaken. And if that is the case, then till the next year, that is 2021 December, we will be continuing with this. So our new normal, the request from the district administration today before the district headquarters is Hunpun and Hunbum. Both villages come together and enforce what is needed. Enforcement, sometimes it works in the benefit of the common man, and sometimes it is a must. But like religion cannot be enforced. Religion is something that comes from within, and it's your connection with your creator. So wearing face masks and practicing social distancing should come from within and should be our day-to-day practices from the day COVID-19 was declared a pandemic. So from this day on, the main request from the district administration side, I would feel, is requesting these two villages, because our custom, our culture is very clear. This land belongs to you, and the government agrees to that. So in anticipation of what is to come tomorrow, what the district administrators have very clearly said just now was in very simple and very polite terms. I would like to say that our people are sometimes very selfish, that they think for themselves, and then they feel that I'm okay, so there is no problem. It is not about you being okay or your family being okay. It's about the community being fine. And for the community to be fine, we have to work together as one, as a team. Hunpun and Umbum, the main residents and the main owners of district headquarters, the request is enforce this till such time our people understand, like using toothpaste for brushing our teeth every morning. It becomes a practice. And this becomes a practice in our lives that the rest of the world also looks and says that at least one small town, a small place in Manipur also has imbibed and taken within our strides, like our day-to-day life. It's a practice within our lives. It's become part of our lives. So for that to be actually successful, the village authorities will have to strictly ensure that it is enforced in your jurisdictions. The sort of fines that you want to impose, that is entirely up to you, because I know of certain things that our village can do, and which is already empowered within the constitution with our land and with our resources. So this mask that is being brought forward, one is Rinchang Pere and the other is Peace Moon. They have worked very hard. This first batch that they have produced, they have gone into a lot of tedious trials, and because we started this, I think maybe about 30 days back. It was quite some time back that we started the entire process, but it took time because they also had to get the perfect measurements, the way that the filtration process should be good. So taking all that into consideration, what they have produced today, this most probably I will deal with them separately on this, but the two villages, the district administration is going to give it to you free today, so that you can give it to your elderly at least. Give to your elderly, select the villagers that are above the age of 60 or 65 and give the most vulnerable first, give them, and encourage our people to buy. Because I may be able to provide the material. From time to time, I can keep providing. But we need to sustain our people feel that everything is free. Free is the best. Nobody gets anything for free anywhere. This 3 months of rice you will get. After 3 months, what will happen? After June, you tell me. 3 months you will get free. After that, what will happen? You'll have to go back to ground zero. So it becomes a way of life and then depending on others. You cannot do that. That is not what we are sent here to do in our lives. I have never, since the time I came here on the 27th, I repeat again, I have never given anything for free. I have never given. Why I have not given? Because this is a practice in life that ensures that communities survive and move forward. I cannot give you free for the next 2 years, for the next 5 years. My term is another 2 more years. If I can give you for 2 years totally free, then I am here and I will give you. But if I cannot give you, are you happy with 1 kilo of tomato, 1 kilo of piyaz, 1 kilo of aloo and 5 kilos of rice? Is that our worth? Ithumui. Ekhoi ki value she. Cheng kilo manga, aloo kilo ani aduga, piyaz kilo amara. Nothing. It is not. But during the time of crucial need, when the government is reaching out, it is just helping you little bit. This is why the only thing that we have done is in consultation with the district administration, we opened a store here where we spoke to Guwahati, we spoke to Dimapur, we spoke across the country to find the actual price where the traders cannot cheat you. This is why we started distributing within the district headquarters across the villages, saying that you come and pick up from here, wholesale prices. When the market was selling for 50, we started giving at 25. When the market was selling at 80, we started giving at 35. Because we knew that the traders were cheating the public. So we cannot go and pick up the traders and beat them up. If they do not bring supplies, what will you eat? It can never be a one-time measure. It has to continue. And to continue, this mask cannot be given for free all the time. Today, as a gesture, the district administration is just going to give it for free so that you can give it to the elders. But from this time on, the people that are taking out time, the designers, the tailors, everybody that is taking out time, especially who are daily wage earners, they are working from 9 to 6 every day. They need to be paid. And for those people to be paid, we have to contribute whether 20 rupees or 25 rupees. These surgical masks, I think these are 15 or 20 rupees in the market. This will be 10 times or 100 times better than this quality. This is not reusable actually, the surgical mask. I got in many, but it is a use and throw property. N95 masks are comparable to this, and N95 is sold for 250 in retail. You would rather buy, our people have, an attitude of rather buying from the market than supporting our own. Support our own. Use something that is credible and something that will be much better than the normal surgical mask and that can be reused again and again. You can wash it, you can reuse it, and maybe till such time you feel that you should buy another one. I'm sure the costing is being worked out. It won't be more than 20 rupees, 30 rupees. It will not be more than that. But our people, the first thing that comes out is, Satnai, cheating, please don't take it like that. Everybody is very genuinely trying to do something that will help our people. So the elders of Hunpun and Humbum today who have come, and the media fraternity from Ukhrul district, ensuring that our people, which is a population of about 2 lakhs, that we wear the best masks at a most affordable and cheapest cost, and this has to continue for the next how many months or years till such time the vaccine comes. So for this purpose, this made in India, made in Ukhrul mask has actually been developed and launched, not for a one-time purpose. So please encourage this, and like the district administration has said, the only way is we practice the new normal, that is social distancing. We continue with our lives, and the most important part is we are opening up entry from our visitors from outside now, our fellow citizens, our brothers, our sisters, our children. They will start coming back. The only way that we contain this is that we practice all the norms that have been given by the district administration. What the district administration is saying is only a replicate copy of what the state is saying, and the state is saying what the center, and what the center is saying is what the the World Health Organization is mandatory for everyone. This is why what the district administration is saying, I don't know better, you don't know better. What the district administration is saying, let us all follow that and let us start practicing that. For that, this new normal, the new normal is the social distancing norms and all the conditions that have been given as an example, so that it is exemplary across at least Manipur, that the villages of Ukhrul and Humbum, these two have actually taken a concrete decision at the village authority level and make it compulsory. And after 6 months' time, our people will ensure that it takes forward. Thank you, friends, and I wish all of you the best so that we sail through this in the days to come. And all our brothers and sisters that are coming, we have to ensure that they are accommodated. They cannot be thrown out. We have to accommodate that. And for that, everybody is working overtime and trying to make the list. There are 3-4 different lists, Tengbang list, then the what you call TKS list, then again the directly submitted list by the people through the WhatsApp and SMS. So a lot of difficulty in collating the information. But I think by tonight it should be ready, and by tomorrow we will know exactly how many people are coming. But it will be in thousands, not in hundreds. So since it will be in thousands, by the time they come, once we are already ready with our social distancing practices, then I think we are also ready to enter into the new normal to ensure that we continue with our lives. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for highlighting the COVID-19, how we are fighting in Ukhrul district. Howzikti akhoi made in Ukhrul haiba mass to launch tawrase.
On behalf of the district administration, I am happy to launch the Made in Ukhrul face mask for the health of Ukhrul district.
See thum the khop tak hi thaila in polypropylene the sheet single khop tak ni he it's equivalent to surgical marks, in fact thicker than the surgical marks. Yeah, another he initiative sa tak hi H&H Studio Hillsman and House of Lakam the initiative ko laga khop tak ni everyday production ka production with outreach matham ida ba bai jiko it need a collective efforts and now we are approaching the village localities with chairman secretaries we give them all the materials tagar sa requirement ji mi hai laga atum volunteers chok mi laga tang ni volunteers machine basic machine sing thai le ka ba khok musak tak ni and till date isin khop kai hi thing thum chu ko bai rega achu launch sai ni thing sha khani ka launch sa khai ni da da le da thing jen tang now bring the materials request ka approach ka sa mi lo anytime it level sa mi laga design pattern ji la thai laga na thum lo khop laga tang ni yaw bai jin thank